Cool. Want me to read you the card?
Yeah.
Happy Easter, grandson. And it says, hi, Reese, right there for you.
Yeah.
Look at all these eggs with Thomas. And what's this one?
No.
Love, Grandma and Grandpa. Thomas is coming. He's heading your way with love and best wishes for a fun Easter day. See the egg?
Yeah.
That's pretty fun.
Yeah. Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
If you look at the camera, Reese, you can say, thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. I'm making a movie. I'm going to send it to them.
Okay, yeah, these are for you. I like this one of you with the flowers.
Yeah. And the train.
Yeah, on your shirt.
Uh-huh.
That's a shirt from the cousins, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, wave at the camera. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Thanks for the card.
Thanks for the card.